Why Msat Mapa Winky D? Doing my business. Why Msat Mapa Winky D? It keeps popping up. Why Msat Mapa Winky D?
One, and now contact here Winky D. I've never communicated with him, and the last time I did say something, could know he's loyal to the opposition, and he seems to be very close to what's the opposition guy's name? The
Chamisa?
Yeah, Chamisa. Yes, Chamisa. I forget his name most of the time.
Danny, I'm gonna keep that hanging.
So I try to say, look, this is not about politics. It's about acknowledging you, your followers, and also trying to, upgrade you. Really?
That's
what I had. Look, I've said it, hinting, I can't, I can only say so much, and I don't want the embarrassment of writing 6 paragraphs saying, "Oh, Becky, go and collect your jelly." Then Becky wakes up. Then Becky wakes up tomorrow and says, "No, I don't want that." So that's the embarrassment I try and avoid. But I'm trying to answer Winky D. But if Winky D came out and said, "I'm coma,"
Bango, how far?
You would?
Mangwana jai.
Yeah.
Panda.
Plus, ane support yake vanhu vake. Do like na Japre. I find Japre. But music yake do man ma celebrity eduka.
Yeah.
Kuna na America do wanafama ni Lamborghini ni match the other guy.
That's the thing.
So it's not Winka shika arim Japanese Zimbabwean. Not gonna Winka chiko arim brand new chi. Gonna X5 gonna brand new chi gonna kakachira no. I know the music. But that my show but one for 3,000 or 4,000. Marriage imbo faka kwana utapinde mu dealership antenga mota. So status ngo kwidza status saka but if he came out and said say na ndangwa nda problem naye and was zvuti ano support anenge na chi anga support wanoda. So watiri kuzwa nemwe mtsvene ari kunza acharamba achitonga isitiri kumsina nemwe mtsvene ukungoti
mtsvene.
Banda and Winky D, you heard it on the Danny J show.
Yeah.
It's on you.
So I even wanted to say no. If I had his number, say kumbira permission and I'm not no.
Let me get something.
This is politics every day.
Yeah.
I think you saw me buying opposition people. It's not so much about politics. Yes.
Yeah, I think there's some restoration of dignity of life that just needs to happen, especially with the arts. I don't know, but arts.
And even show kunonzwi kumchato wa Japresha. I said Mkanya must come. It's because of the stories that we heard. No, Mkanya is struggling. Zvaga sudai Mkanya vari kutambudzika. But Mkanya ne music ya maridzira ndeita. Mkanya, how can Mkanya be struggling? They ever give him $1 million to retirement. Akastadza ukuthi omsoro nayo zvake. But in my heart, with the way I love his music, with the way I feel like, Mkanya, if you come to my house in Cape Town, my house in Sandhurst in Joburg, ask Nash, he's been there. Studio, cinema Nash. My picture, Mkanya. Wamwanda wisa na Rick Rosa aendesa Mkanya, pana mtukudzira. Akadzokorodzwa ka 3 apa, pana Mkanya. Achiri mudiki Mkanya, pana mtukudzana. So, don't my celebrity, and I love them with that,
Nice.
So,
Winky D, ukaona tambanudzo roko rwake kutambira chipo chinobva kuna Wicknell. Vanenge vaita minana sister vana vavo. Ana Winky D half human half spirit. Avasi nyore. Ukaona mweya wake wati yes ndatambira chipo icho kubva kuna Wicknell. Panenge paitwa munana. Asi nyore. Nokuti mumweya wake chaimo kuti anzango aenda muvanhu atambira chipo. Muyimbi asi muvanhu uyezve iye Winky D pachake chaipo ukamona atambanudza maoko kutambira chipo chaSewicknell vanenge vaita minana sezita remwana wamunana nokuti haazi nyore.
Guys, indiri muyouth wesapa ndofarira vanhu vakavenga zano yavana kuona imbo yeblack inonzi magorido inonzi Winky D. nasu Winky D namagori munhu atengera chicken. Winky D namagori ngoja. Ndakawalinga. Chicken ina ndala chingi. Chicken ina ndala chingi. Kirazi rabbi. Cut.
There is need for us to recognize those who are still standing strong like Winky D. They hate him so much, they talk a lot about him. He doesn't respond. But they know that the young people of Zimbabwe listen to Winky D. And he doesn't sing in a manner that praises them like other musicians are doing. So he's a threat to them. Because people like Winky D, they talk and relate with the pain that the suffering people are going through. So he resonates with their pain and they resonate with his music. Such a relationship is a threat to despotic governments. We want to say to him, well done. I am not sure he will hold on for longer. Understanding the terrain is functioning in. For the longest of time, Thomas Mapfumo criticized the ZANU-PF regime after receiving a few dollars. He is now the drum beater.